Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all how to install a new receiver into your Team Durango DNX8. So, super simple. Take out this screw, and this screw. I just had them loosely screwed on for this video for the sake of time. Then what you're going to do, you're gonna take out your old receiver, or if you don't have one, in here and you ordered this as a kit or something, then just plug the new one in. But so when you unplug, if you're unplugging it from an old receiver, remember which wire goes to, which port. So this white one's gonna be my steering, and then the orange one's going to be throttle. And once you have those unplugged, pop out that antenna, and then you'll have to unthread the old antenna as well. There you go, receiver is out. So next we can plug in the new receiver. So this is going to be battery. And then it shows you with these little symbols, negative, positive, and then the spare. So let's go like that. There we go. So now I'm gonna reroute my antenna, which you should actually have done that. You should actually first reroute your antenna, make it a little bit easier, but oh well. So to do this, I'm just going to unscrew this little box. So that's this screw and this screw. Then you also have to unscrew this screw right here. Alright, so now it's out, and we can route this antenna through the antenna housing hole and pop the little cover back on it. And there we go. Slide it into this little rubber piece. And just pop that receiver box back in there. So now we can screw the bottom of the receiver box back on. Alright, so now I can just make all these little wires, well, try and make all these little wires fit in here nicely. Alright, wiring's all nice and in there, so now I can put the cap back on. Well, now I can bind it, and then I can put the cap back on, or have it pre-bound, which is probably the smartest thing to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was able to help you out. Please consider liking and subscribing. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.